Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I brought any updates regarding faculty recruitment in different colleges. So the first college is NTPC School of Business. It was set up in 2014 to nurture human capital for entire energy sector. For this, they have vacancies for assistant professor. For that, qualification required master degree with 60% marks, with and a candidate must have been awarded PhD degree in relevant discipline. Besides fulfilling the above qualification, he must have cleared NET, SET, UGC, CSIR NET, like Central University test exams. Second, the associate professor must have PhD degree in master degree 60%, minimum 8-year experience in teaching or research in academic or research position, contribution to educational innovation, design of new curricula and courses, technology mediated teaching learning process. Third one, for professor, for that PhD required, with they have given 10 research publication in peer reviewed or IIM Ahmedabad listed journals or UGC listed journals, minimum of 10 years of experience in university, uh, worked as assistant professor, associate professor or professor, or having research experience at equivalent level in university or national level institution. Contribution to educational innovation, design of new curricula and courses and technology mediated teaching learning process. Pay scale as per 7 CPC, pay scale matrix. They have vacancies in oil and gas sector, power generation transmission. Uh, Means they must have expertise in these all things: power generation, transmission, distribution, power market, power system, renewable energy storage, transmission, energy legislation and regulation. Likewise, they have different things you must know about that. Regarding vacancy, total 5 number of vacancy is there. Faculty position, okay, in which age limit they have given 30 to 55 years. You have to go to career section of NSB and you can apply, or interested students, applicants are requested to send their curriculum bit to hr@nsb.ac.in within 50 days, 15 days from date of advertisement. Next college is GEC. They have walk-in interview at Bhubaneswar campus, and uh, they require assistant and associate professor in computer science, ECE, triple E, civil, mechanical, mathematics, English, and MBA. For that, walk-in is from 15th of November to 20th November between 10 to 4 p.m. So you go with updated CV and all your original documents. You also must have ID proofs like Aadhaar and PAN. So you have to go Gandhi Engineering College, Badar Gunathpur, Bhubaneswar. Next vacancy is in Krupajal group of institution. They also have vacancies for full-time or visiting or adjunct professor, associate professor and assistant professor for teaching in physics, chemistry, maths, English, management, MCA, computer science, mechanical, electrical, civil, electrical and electronics and telecommunication. Some non-teaching vacancies also there. Admission officer with proven track record for all district of Odisha having 2 years of experience. Laboratory assistants in all department, librarian, exam controller, system admin, administrative officer, video editor, cinematographer, telecaller, TPO, accountant, DTP operator, hostel superintendent, canteen manager, cook, attendant, peon, personal secretary, office assistant and hostel warden. Uh, Qualification required as per AICT and UGC norms. Salary will commensurate with qualification and experience. Higher starting salary can be provided for those with outstanding records. So for that you have to go for walk-in on 14th November, 20th November and 28th of November with all your original documents and updated CV and appear the interview. So it's a good opportunity for you if you belong to nearby Bhubaneswar. So you go and attend the interview. You share it with your friends if they all are searching for faculty posts. And first, if you are visiting first time, then subscribe the channel. Thank you.